Hello guys, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to sign up for Netflix. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. First of all, go to your web browser and type netflix.com in the search bar and hit enter. After doing so, it will take you to the official site of Netflix, and here enter your email address and click on Get Started. Now click on Next. It will then ask you to create a password to start the membership. Enter your email and password and click on Next. Again, click on Next. Now choose the plan that's right for you and hit Next button. Choose your payment method. And click on Start Membership. So, this is it guys. This is how you sign up for Netflix. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.